Di ba si Madonna is ano? Mason? Parang anti-Christ. Illuminati pala. Illuminati.
What's the story in the West? I don't know. You don't know the story in the West that there was. How was he died? They said there was a couple. They said he upset it because of his success in the film industry and taking martial arts around the world. That he upset it, the triads, mafia organization. Okay, that wasn't true. The other said that he was fighting a curse that was. No, that's not true. Okay. So what's the... that news in the public. I think in the old days, 30 years ago, because the communication not fast enough. Yeah. There's no internet. Nobody knows. He died in somebody's house. Yeah, that's everybody knows. He died in somebody's house. My boss go to pick him up. And send him to the hospital. Yeah. That's the truth. That's the truth. Of course, you can find out more. I don't want to say in detail. Yeah. You find out the detail yourself. You do the dive myself. Yes. Okay. Yeah, this is the public in Hong Kong. Goes everybody knows. Yeah, everybody knows. It's whenever I travel around, Bruce Lee died by somebody murder. No, curse. No, nothing. Just normal. You need some help? What happened? This thing is huge. My older daughter's super into movies and television, like Pikachu. She's super excited.